Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your retirement strategy with Fidelity Investments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your retirement strategy with Fidelity Investments, start by assessing your current retirement plans. Log into your Fidelity account or create one if you haven't already. Review your existing investment allocations by checking the performance of your current retirement accounts. Consider your retirement goals, including your target retirement age and desired lifestyle. Use Fidelity's retirement planning tools to estimate how much you will need to save. Determine your risk tolerance by evaluating your comfort level with market fluctuations. Explore different investment options available through Fidelity, such as mutual funds, ETFs, and bonds. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread out risk and maximize potential gains. Review the fees associated with each investment option to ensure you're making cost-effective choices. Use Fidelity's personalized recommendations to identify investments that align with your goals. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Set up automatic contributions to ensure consistent savings toward your retirement goals. Take advantage of any employer-sponsored retirement plans, if applicable. Utilize Fidelity's retirement calculators to project your savings growth over time. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your strategy as necessary. Schedule periodic check-ins with a Fidelity retirement planner for professional guidance. Make a commitment to regularly review and update your retirement strategy as your financial situation evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.